Hi everyone. Today we're here to talk about my social media and what I used. And the tool that I used is called Edmodo. So as you can see, here is my page. I used it because it's teacher friendly. It's friendly for the students and the families involved, and it's a community network, so you can share your lessons. You can share information with other teachers and other families and the students. So on this page, um, I like how you can type your notes in here for your daily, if you have something you want the students to know or remember to do when they get home, you can allow the students and the families to know exactly what's going on while in school. Um, some other things that you can do with this would be you can show what's due up here, so the assignments that are due, my to-do list. So for the students, you can put in, and also over here on the right, there's a calendar. So you can remind them each day what's due, what night. So you can remind them, hey, on Monday I have to do my English. On Tuesday I have to do my math, and so forth. So here's that calendar that I was talking about. Shows them, you go each day and each month. And also, like I said, this is good for the families to be involved. So, for example, my own daughter, they do not do this. And so a lot of times, yes, they're sending home information in the folders, but you don't always necessarily get, the full understanding of exactly what is expected or what you're supposed to do. So this would just be a great tool for them to use for that. Also on this tool, you can show your progress. So, for students who may need a little extra help or to show where they need to improve on, this was a good report for the families to show them. So you can, and also for you as the teacher, this would be a good way for you to say, this student needs, more help here, or where they're lacking. And so we can provide that for ourselves in our feedback. Also, you can have the library where you can store like your lesson plans or things that you want to do for the day. And also, students can share with you on the Google Drive, or families, they can share with you the work being done. So that's a great tool as teachers. Another thing that I like about this page is that you can share messages. So if you want it, it's kind of like an email, or for the families, they can send you the messages, or students can send you messages if you have a question about something, or if you want to respond to them and send them a message just letting the families know how things went. This is just a great tool for them to keep interacting with with everyone, so everybody's on the same page. Also, I liked some things about this, such as let's see. Like I said, you can collaborate with other teachers. So, for example, if I want to go onto this tool, it's called Spotlight, which is really cool. You can go on, and there's free lesson plans, there's free quizzes, free videos, online courses, lesson plans. So you can share this with other other staff. So if I'm the special ed teacher, I would want to share it with maybe the gen ed staff or a co-teacher. This is a great tool to use with providing them information and where we're going. Or if, say, you have a substitute for a day and you needed somebody to do a lesson for you, this is a good way for them to go on and utilize, the information that you want them to do in your class for that day. Like I said, you can see here, there's quizzes, there's videos, so you can do like a free game. You want to work on math, so a good example would be math right here. Teach Me. This would provide great tools for the students to use while at home as well. So if we're working on math and somebody's struggling with math, you can go on here and find different tools as parents and try to utilize some of these things to help extra work for at home for the students, so that they can utilize, maintain the information that you're working on in class and just build upon that. Here's another good one: reduce stress and anxiety. So, that you could utilize this while in your class with these students, try to help them through their work. So these are just a couple of tools that I really like about this tool. is that you can, and also up here you can see I can upload my own. So if I want to share with others, I can share my lesson plans or any information that I want to upload to others to help as well. So like I said, so these are just a couple of things that I really like about this tool. I feel like this is something that I'll definitely use in my class, and providing the information for them. I don't really have anything that I don't like about it. I feel like right now there's not a lot of downfall from what I've seen so far. I feel like I can really utilize this in my class, and it also will bring everybody together between, the staff, the students, the families, and that's our ultimate goal, is to make sure that everybody's on the same page. All right. Thank you.